I agree with Gene in large part. I do find Miss Potter somewhat of a sympathetic figure after serving 25 years in the force, which apparently zero infractions up until this point in time. However, I think when you listen to the public and certain court watchers, people tend to focus on the idea that this was not intentional. And to Gene's point, we all agreed that it wasn't intentional. People go to prison all the time for being reckless to the level that it's criminal. We've seen this recently in Colorado, and we see it all the time in drunk driving cases and traffic infraction cases. And, this is no different. I suspect that, to your other question about the evidence, I think it was right there for us all to see. This is one of those cases, Julie, where we didn't have to argue about what happened. There were no blind spots. There was no activity outside of the body cams. We saw frame by frame exactly what happened on this date, and we heard her words. I think the jury got this right, and I think it's important that people realize that she's not been alleged to commit an intentional act. This was a manslaughter charge. This was negligence and recklessness.